going to try another one and show you something about the internet site that I made that talks to Delphi. These are the HTML documents that I produced. So we'll go to the dashboard first, and this basically ran on the machine, and users could register and upload documents to a server. All the scripting and everything's there. A lot of these buttons aren't working because, as you can see, they're just taking me to htdocs down here. If you look, all the htdocs dashboard, so they're not going to work unless it's talking to a server. I've got no server to check it on, so but I'll go through some of the indexes of how it looked. Down here these works, about us, support, no, none of them buttons are going to work. I don't expect to. Account. This is where the users created an account, and they can put the name in there, blah blah, set the date of birth, month, year. All those were drop downs and adult. Oh, lists might not be there yet, which you have to add into your PHP files. Next. Fields won't filled in, so it's probably gone back. Count 2. Asking for your name and address. Number 3 was asking you questions about all these questions that you have to answer to get demographic details off of them. Advertisers, I can't remember what that were about. Oh yeah, it was just a page, so we could get advertisers to start paying. Dashboard we've seen. And this is a different dashboard, so it might allow me to open different pages. No. But all these buttons were interactive and so on. Create accounts, we've seen them. Complete word, blah blah, translate. Right, I'm just gonna go back, and in this folder from internet you'll see these folders. The old htdocs is the beginning of when I first started building it, and there's quite a lot of files, and all these PHP files. What does all the magic in the machine? So I've got create account 3 there, and if I've got a create account 3.php, you can see here it'll start a session, and it has to include phpstart.php, which will be in there somewhere. If is set, post submit, post submit equals submit. Let's see. Alright, so this one was for page 3 when they're asking the questions, and these are the questions that you put in, and then it should go off and update. That's the header and tables and stuff, the layout. And it should go off and set the database. Server. I think these were the drop down hints. Yeah, the what? Yeah, well, all the drop down links are regular ones, just so they can quickly click on them. So sending it to the server must be down at the bottom somewhere. Right. It's really hard to sort of like show you what it's all about and how it works. You've got to have a folder called images with all the sections in of what comes up on your screen. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and start creating a new one and go through it step by step as to how all these things work. So like we've got the header.php here, and as you can see this is a bit that creates the div, puts in the logo, source from images, logo.thing, blah blah, and this is a bit what lists all the menus at the top. I'll just show you that those there should relate to the header. This is the header up here, this top section, and as you can see we've got how it works .php. So when they click on that, it's going to run that bit of PHP. Create account 1. Support. That'll be the downloads button. Support. Advertisers. Frequently asked questions. And contact us. So this one don't probably relate to this particular one. But you can see that is quite simple, is that just to do this header. And what else can I quickly show you? Let's have a look. PhpMyadmin. Now that's a fairly complicated folder, and this is where you can start uploading and controlling the PHP server. Let's see what we get when I press that. MyAdmin. Right, there we are. That's all the documentation there for the how to use PhpMyadmin. And I'm on version 3.3.3 at that time, so I do suggest if you are going to do internet, you definitely need to sit and read everything that's in this, because it tells you how to do everything. Authentications, keys, service keys, there's absolutely loads in that. I could be here all day showing you and talking about it, but you need to sit and read that script, and it is on the stick. So yep, there you go. Let's have a look. SourceForge PhpMyadmin page, admin project page. Just click on that. Server not found. You see what bit I find out? Although it might if I put internet in. I'll try that later and let you know how it goes. Thanks for now. Bye.